This Amazon influencer program, it's a beginning stage for you. But as you're beginning on Amazon, don't give them all the UCG content you have. You wait and you let the brands ask you for it, and then we can make some money. That's what I'm waiting on, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna give it willingly everything. I'm gonna give up some reviews to keep my site going, and I'm gonna make them seasonal. So New Year's is here, and everything I upload from now on will have a New Year theme to it. January, I'll probably go into the next holiday, a couple of holidays. But I'm not just gonna flood. I was listening earlier today about a guy saying he's 900 videos into Amazon. That's a lot of free content you gave them. You really did give them a lot. I can't see it. That I should have made millions off of that, and so have you, because you did make your thousands, you know. But Amazon readjusted and cut everybody. You have no control that way.